Howdy food reviews here of Fruity Pebbles Waffles. Now, I don't know if I had these before. I don't know. Trying to think. I don't think so. I don't know. Might have, but I don't really know. So, they're pretty good. Now, I don't put syrup or anything, in the morning. I'm on a rush and stuff. I don't really have time to put syrup and all the toppings and everything. So that's why I'm eating it like this. Pretty good. I wish there was a little bit more of the Fruity Pebbles flavor there. I wish there was a little bit more of the Fruity Pebbles flavor there, because there's not enough to say that these are like the best ever. But these are pretty good. I just wish there was more like the Fruity Pebbles flavor, maybe like I think these would do good if they put like a filling. Maybe like a Fruity Pebbles flavored filling. Because honestly, the Fruity Pebbles flavor and these are kind of weak, to be honest. Unless you got like the Fruity Pebbles syrup, which I think is discontinued now. So, or Walmart's got like a fruity cereal syrup or something like that. So maybe that would do good on these too. But these are good. They're not terrific, but they're good. I give these a 7 out of 10. So peace.